I just went food shopping and I want to do a food haul, a grocery haul. Because I never did one before, so I figured what the hell, right? So this is me grocery shopping. My receipt, if you can see. Oh, you can see $119.38. So anybody who thinks it's cheaper to have weight loss surgery, out of their fucking minds. It is so much more expensive, it's insane. So this is what I got. Alright. I got a box of Splenda for work because they only have Sweet and Low, and I can't stand Sweet and Low. So I got that for work. I got 2 things of Faye 2% yogurt because this is what I make my strawberry goo in. So I got 2 of them. I got yucky bologna because I have a thing for yucky bologna. Don't judge me. I got a thing of whole milk mozzarella cheese because the whole milk, if you can see, has no carbohydrates in it. And the 1% or 2% mozzarella has carbs in it. And that, the mozzarella, is going on top of this. This is a Kashi Margherita thin crust pizza. Now the pizza alone is good for my, lap band friends and RNY friends and VSG friends. Sorry for the shadow, but that's the camera. So anyway, here's the nutritional facts for those of you who care about, the calories and the fat, yada yada. All I give a crap about is the carbohydrates. So 29 grams of carbs minus 4 grams of fiber equals 25 for a third of the pizza. Alright? So, you get a third of this bad boy for 25 carbs. And then, toss on top of it some cheese. For us duodenal switch patients, this is fantastic. So that is a winner. I, of course, got string cheese. I got 2% milk because it doesn't have any carbs in the 2% string cheese, so I just didn't care. I got extra sharp cheddar cheese. This is really good in my deviled eggs, which I'm making a recipe video for, so that's coming. I got these easy ovenware pans because I'm going to make Rocky's brownies in it. Oh my god, I can't talk. The black bean sugar-free brownies, and here are the black beans to go with it. So there you go. I got a thing of jumbo eggs. Oh, I have such a yummy trick for you. Alright. If you take 1 ounce of dry roasted peanuts, okay, which is, come on, focus, which is only 3 carbs, okay, plus about about 2/3 of 1 tablespoon of Nutella, okay? That works out to be, it's 11 carbs for 1 tablespoon. So knock it down to about 9 carbs for 2 teaspoons, which is 2/3 of 1 tablespoon. There's 3 teaspoons in every 1 tablespoon. So if you take 2 teaspoons of Nutella, which is about 9 carbs, plus 1 serving of peanuts, which is another 3, that's 12 carbs total, and you mix them together, it's like a candy bar. If you get the Nutella on most of the peanuts and eat it with a spoon, it's like eating a candy bar. It's incredible, and it's only 12 carbs, so for us duodenal switch patients, that's incredible. I bought this for the first time. I never had this. It's Skinny Cow White Mint Truffle, and here's the nutritional facts. It's got, focus, it's got 16 grams of carbs, but it only has 12 grams of sugar. So I figured I'd try one, just give it a go. I'm dumping this in my freezer like immediately so that it doesn't go bad. Okay. I got heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. This is the unsweetened Almond Breeze vanilla. This is what I make my protein shakes with. I got plums, strawberries for my strawberry goo. I got half a watermelon in here. And, oh, and I got sugar-free pudding because I'm going to use that heavy cream and make sugar-free pudding. And I'm doing that. Oh, and I got chicken thighs to make Hawaiian chicken. So that's what I got. That was my grocery haul, and $119 later, here I am. So there you go, guys. Bye.